Hello. Welcome to Pro.IT.Solutions YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Revit 2023 already installed error. There are many methods available on internet to solve this error, but none of them works properly. Firstly, we will see how the error looks like. Follow the steps carefully to fix this error. This is 100% working method. 1. You have to download this zip file provided in description of the video. 2. Turn off antivirus software. This step is not necessary, but sometimes antivirus can block Revit files and will not allow our software to fix Revit corrupted files. 3. Extract these files with the help of WinRAR and then you will get 9 files. 4. Run the file A with administrator. It will automatically scan all problems that stopping Revit from getting installed. This is an automatic process, you only have to wait. Press any key to continue. It's done. Now we will again try to install Revit 2023. I have offline setup of Revit 2023. If you have online Revit installer file, then you can open that setup file. Process is similar. You can see, error has been removed. Revit 2023 is installing. It can take some time to complete the installation. You can download fix files from the link provided in video description.
To the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually
Installation is completed successfully. Let's open Revit 2023. You can enter your license information and start Revit. This is 100% working method. I tested it in more than 100 computers. You can download fix files from link provided in video description. Thanks for watching.